Remember to subscribe, like and share. This is a low consumption lamp, well, a bunch of them, and more or less they have all the same circuit. I'm going to try to power a tube with some circuit from these low consumption lamps. Circuits are very similar. I have been searching on internet and they are most likely the same. Besides, if the shape of the glass change, the circuit is always the same. This tube here has all ballast, and as you can see in the video, the light flickers, and when I turn it on, it's turned on, off, and then finally gets on. It's work like that because it's the old-fashioned way to start this kind of light. It's dangerous, the flickering, if we use electrical machines like CNC, and so. Well, I'm going to try to power up a 16 watts tube. So I'm going to search in my circuits. I have a circuit from a lamp that is about a similar power. I have one that is 23 watts, so I'm going to use that circuit for powering the tube. Well, I take apart the circuit and I can see that there are 6 cables. 2 are for the power input, the red, and S1 and S2, like you can see on the board. 1 cable is missing, S1. The other 4 cables are in pairs, 2 and 2. 2 are for one filament and the others for the other filament of the tube. So first I'm going to solder 2 cables to the power input of the board. In Argentina we use 220 volts, so I just put some cable that I have over there. This lamp was working, has some kind of faulty working, but the circuit is okay. I decided to leave that cable because the holes on the board are too tiny for the cable that I have chosen. That pads are I need to put them on both sides of the tube and to wire them with the cables that goes to the 2 filaments of the board. So I'm going to solder the cables to the pins that goes to the filament to the low power consumption lamp. I decided to solder not to the pin. I solder it to the board itself because